Meaning of David Copperfield.
David Copperfield.
David Copperfield.
David Copperfield.
David Copperfield. David Copperfield is a novel written by Charles Dickens that tells the life story of its titular character. It follows David's journey from his tumultuous childhood to his adulthood, documenting his struggles and triumphs along the way. The novel explores themes of family, love, friendship, and the social class divide in Victorian England. Throughout the story, David encounters a colorful cast of characters and learns important life lessons. Ultimately, David Copperfield serves as a timeless tale of redemption, growth, and the power of perseverance in the face of adversity.